This video will show you how to set up and use the 8-quart digital air fryer from Gourmia. Before using the air fryer, be sure to read the user manual for important safety information and additional instructions. To remove the basket for the first time, secure the air fryer with one hand, grip and pull the band, and then cut the band. Included with the air fryer is the basket, crisper tray, multi-purpose rack, basket handle, and cord storage. To attach the basket handle, hold the handle above the groove at the top front of the basket. Push the handle down until you hear a click, and it locks into place. To attach the cord storage, hold the cord storage with the arrow facing up. Insert the bottom tab at an angle into the bottom horizontal notch. Push the top hook until the cord storage clicks and locks into place. The non-stick coating on the basket and crisper tray is PFOA and PFOS free. Do not use sharp or metal utensils which can scratch the non-stick surface. Only use non-metal tongs. The silicone bumpers on the crisper tray should be left on during use. They are food grade and BPA free. The multi-purpose rack can be used as a raised cooking surface or for additional cooking space. Before first use, wash and dry all removable parts. When adding oil to food, use cooking oil in a mister bottle as opposed to cooking spray, which may damage the non-stick coating. When using a liner, never leave the liner in the basket during preheating and cooking, unless there is food on the liner to weigh it down and keep it secure in place. Tap the power icon to view the control panel. Tap a function. The display will show the function's default temperature and time. Tap the temp controls on the left side of the display to adjust temperature. Tap the time controls on the right side of the display to adjust time. Preheat will be enabled by default for most functions. See the function chart in the user manual for each function's default settings. When preheat is enabled, preheat will be blue and will appear in red on the display. Tap preheat to turn this feature on or off. When preheat is disabled, place food in the air fryer and tap Start to begin cooking. When preheat is enabled, tap Start before adding food to begin the cooking process. While preheating, the word Preheat will blink on the display and 4 lines will indicate the preheating progress. Once the air fryer is preheated, Add Food will appear on the display. Add food and return the basket to the air fryer to begin cooking. A turn reminder will be enabled by default for most functions. When turn reminder is enabled, turn reminder will be blue and turn will appear in red on the display. Tap Turn Reminder to turn this feature on or off. When turn reminder is enabled, the air fryer will beep halfway through cook time and turn food will appear on the display. Toss or turn the food and return the basket to the air fryer. To pause cooking, tap Stop Cancel once or remove the basket from the air fryer. To resume cooking, tap Start or return the basket to the air fryer. To cancel cooking, tap Stop Cancel twice. When the cook time has elapsed, the air fryer will beep and the display will show End. The basket, crisper tray, and multi-purpose rack are top rack dishwasher safe. Read the cleaning and maintenance section for additional cleaning instructions. To remove the basket handle, grip the upper part of the handle. Insert a screwdriver into the hole on the inside of the basket above the window. Push the screwdriver inward and pull the handle up at the same time. To remove the cord storage, secure the air fryer with one hand. Grip the top hook and pull the cord storage outward toward the left or right side. For help, see the troubleshooting section. For additional support, contact our customer service team.
Enjoy your 8-quart digital air fryer from Gourmia.